Hello, greetings to the listener. Myself Drashti Vora over here to present the interesting topic, the relationship of the stock market and our economy. 2020 has been a remarkable year that continues to surprise us. On the one hand, the stock market records and its apparent recovery have been unusually swift. However, the economy has been in and remains in dismal shape. This downward occurred due to the coronavirus, which became a significant threat in our country in February 2020, posing profound implications for public health and our economy. Stocks moves on news that conveys information related to the economy. Generally, the relationship between the stock and our economy often converge and depart from each other. Gross domestic product, unemployment, inflation, and many other indications reflect economic conditions. A rising stock market may indicate favorable economic conditions for firms, resulting in higher profitability. On the other hand, a declining stock market may signal an economic downturn. Over the long term, these trends are likely to show the economy and stocks in tandem. Day to day, those correlations may become harder to see. Three factors that affect stock prices. Typically, a company's value should reflect the present value of its future cash flows. Investors should consider several factors that affect whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued to calculate future cash flows. There are three fundamental factors that affect stock prices. Number one, the economy. Number two, the industrial related matters, and the third, the company specific aspects. The increasing importance of financial markets across the world has reinforced the general conviction that finance is an important element of economic growth. As such, the emphasis has remained on economic growth and stock market development also. Being an important pillar of the economy of a country, the stock market plays a pivotal role in the growth of the industry and commerce, which ultimately affects the economy of the country to a large extent. This is the rationale that the industrial bodies, government advisors, and even the central bank of the country keep a close eye of observation on the activities of the stock market. The stock market is momentous from both the investor's point of view as well as the industry's point of view. Researchers and economists have paid increased attention to the relationship between financial development and economic growth due to previous results that showed controversial perspectives. Some of them even identified a positive correlation between the variables, and others have a significant doubts on the correlation. Important studies on this topic tried to prove the existence of any relationship between financial development and economic growth, and afterwards the nature and direction of causality if development of financial sector stimulates economic growth or the relationship goes the way around. Emerging stock markets have a key role in the international economy, and their effects on economic growth can be transmitted to the real sector through their specific channel: liquidity, market capitalization, risk sharing, and diversification. Thank you.